Want to create a fluid simulation in Blender like this? Watch and see how I made this fluid simulation. You can see that I have a teapot and cup mesh already made, with keyframes for the teapot to show it trying to pour some tea. To make some fluid come out of the pot, we need to create a fluid simulation. Pressing Shift-A, I will insert a UV sphere mesh into the scene to act as the source of the fluid. Scale it down and place inside the teapot. Remember to hit Ctrl-A and apply the scale. With the sphere selected, we then navigate to the Object menu and select Quick Effects and Quick Liquid. A liquid domain will be inserted into the scene, which you can scale down to cover the objects where you wish the simulation to take place. Remember to also apply the scale once you are done. With Liquid Domain selected, scroll down to Cache and change type to All. Change the resolution to something between 64 to 120. The higher the resolution, the more time the simulation will take to generate, though it will be more accurate as you will see later. For any object you want to interact with the liquid, add fluid physics and change the type to effector. In my case, the teapot lid, and cup will all be effectors. Change the sampling to 3 to improve results, and also add some surface thickness, which I find helps stopping particles leaking through meshes. I actually made a mistake here, which I decided to leave in, and bake the simulation, so you will see a funny result here. The sphere I added to the scene is currently set to geometry instead of inflow. Geometry will just create a volume of water equal to the volume of the sphere, whereas inflow will generate water continuously from the sphere, which is what I want here. Result doesn't look great here, but this is actually what we want to see. We can increase the resolution of the liquid domain to get better results, but we're more concerned about the volume of water we have, which is clearly too much. Scaling the sphere down will lower the amount of water which is generated and give us something closer to what we are looking for. Don't forget to apply the scale when making changes in object mode. You don't need to apply scale in edit mode, as this is automatically done in Blender. Free the bake, and click Bake All to regenerate the fluid simulation. I'm fast-forwarding the baking here, but this can take 10 to 50 minutes depending on the resolution I am using. So from here, it is just a case of repeating the process above, scaling the sphere until I get the results I am looking for, and then rebaking the simulation. If you want to change the material of the liquid, you can simply select the liquid in the domain and go to the material menu and change to your liking from there as normal. For the final bake after adjusting the sphere a bit bigger, I used a resolution of 170 to create the final simulation, which I then rendered out. If this overview was helpful, don't forget to give the video a like. Thanks for watching.